Bridges Games is a framework for teaching foundational computing skills and building fun games. Our goal is to educate students through interesting assignments involving loops, control structures, objects, data structures, and much more, while engaging their curiosity and creativity in a way traditional assignments sometimes cannot. The Bridges Games API is based on a simple game grid indexed by rows and columns. Each cell in the grid can have a background color, symbol, and foreground color. This provides a lot of flexibility for making interesting games without requiring advanced programming skills. We support two types of games in Bridges. Blocking games are event-based and wait for a key press before sending the next state of the game. Non-blocking games are continuous and send the current state of the game multiple times per second. We provide minimal program templates and example game implementations for both game types to get you started. The Grid API is really simple. You set the background color for a cell by using the setBGColor method, specifying its row and column index and adding a color argument. To draw one of the predefined sprites, use the drawObject method, using the row and column, a symbol, and an optional foreground color for the symbol. Asking students to write a method to paint the whole grid a particular color or pattern can be a good start for learning about nested for loops. To begin, create an account on the Bridges website and note your username and API key on the profile page. Next, download the Bridges Games project from GitHub and make sure that you have the Java 8 JDK installed on your machine. Open the Bridges Games folder you just downloaded and add the directories to a new Java project in your IDE. To make sure all the code will compile and run, add the included Bridges Games jar file as a dependency for your project. This process depends on your IDE. If you get stuck, Google the terms add external jar to project and then the name of your IDE. Open one of the games and replace the username and API key with your credentials, then just build and run the game. I've got Snake, Minesweeper, Racecar, and Bugstomp all running in my IDE, and I can connect and play each one in the browser. Check out the minimal blocking and minimal interactive templates to make your own game, and please get in touch with us if you have any questions and want to share your game.